Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video where we'll be comparing two amazing cameras from Sony, the Sony Alpha a6400 mirrorless camera and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. If you're in the market for a new camera, this video is for you. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this. Now let's dive into the comparison. When it comes to speed and autofocus performance, both these cameras are exceptional. With the Sony Alpha a6400, you'll experience the world's fastest 0.02 seconds AF with real-time AF and object tracking. It ensures that you never miss a moment. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 also delivers quick and accurate autofocus thanks to its large 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and fast Bions X processor. Both cameras offer reliable autofocus, making them perfect for capturing fast-paced action and moving subjects. When it comes to subject capture, both cameras have some impressive features. The Sony Alpha a6400 boasts wide 425-phase, 425 contrast detection points, covering over 84% of the sensor. This means enhanced subject tracking and accurate focus. Similarly, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 features advanced autofocus capabilities that ensure precise subject tracking and outstanding image quality. No matter which camera you choose, you'll have the versatility to capture your subjects perfectly. Both the Sony Alpha a6400 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 deliver exceptional image and video quality. The Sony Alpha a6400 offers up to 11 FPS continuous shooting at 24.2 MP RAW, delivering crisp, clear, and natural colors. It's perfect for professional photographers and enthusiasts alike. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is capable of shooting stunning 4K videos oversampled from 6K, resulting in incredible details and no pixel binning. Whether you're into photography or videography, both cameras will exceed your expectations. Apart from their impressive core features, both cameras offer some unique additional features. The Sony Alpha a6400 comes with multiple movie functions, enabling you to create time-lapse movies or slow quick-motion videos on the go without the need for post-processing. It also has a tiltable LCD screen, which is customizable for vlogging, still photography, or recording professional films. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 introduces the product showcase setting, which automatically transitions focus from face to object, ideal for showcasing products. It also has a convenient background defocus button that instantly toggles between defocus effect on-off. Depending on your specific needs, these additional features can truly enhance your overall shooting experience. And that's a wrap. We've compared the Sony Alpha a6400 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 in various categories, including speed and autofocus, subject capture, image and video quality, and additional features. Both cameras are outstanding choices, and the right one for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. So which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.